One way to unify the design of a web page is to take colors from the graphics on a page and use them to color coded elements, like the page background color or the color of links. If you're a web designer, you probably know that the colors of coded elements like those are specified with a special numbering system called hexadecimal. Photoshop has a command built in that will copy just the hexadecimal value of any color in an image that's open in Photoshop, so that I can use that same hexadecimal value to quickly and easily code other elements in whatever environment I'm using to build a web page. Here's how this works. I'm going to select the eyedropper tool in Photoshop's toolbox. Then I'll come into the image that's open in Photoshop, and on a Mac I'll control-click, on a PC I'll right-click, and that brings up this contextual menu. From the bottom of this menu, I can choose either to copy color as HTML, a command that's been in Photoshop for a while, or a new command in Photoshop CS5, copy colors hex code. Nowadays, most web designers don't code color using HTML. Instead, they use CSS, cascading style sheets. So if I were to choose copy color as HTML, and then paste the results into a website building program or a text editor where I'm building a page, I would just have to go to the trouble of deleting the HTML code that would get copied along with the hexadecimal value were I to use this legacy command. So instead, I'll choose to just copy the colors hex code. Now that I've copied that hexadecimal value into my computer's clipboard, I'm going to paste it into the environment in which I can use it. In this case, a text editor in which I'm building a web page. I happen to be using the TextEdit program on a Mac, but this can be any text editor or website building program. I'm going to go to the Edit menu and I'm going to choose Paste, and that pastes in this small hexadecimal value of the green that I sampled with my eyedropper tool from this open image in Photoshop. And now I can use that hexadecimal value to build out some of the color elements of my web page. So that's just one more small thing that you can do in Photoshop to make your web design work easier.